My nigga, what's it gon' be? G-Wagon.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
Hi guys, meet Kimberly.
Hey y'all.
She's been wanting to start her YouTube, but I guess it's the phobia of starting YouTube on.
I'm a start though, but just not right now. Like maybe in a couple of weeks or a couple of months or next year.
We're about to eat some seafood. I'm about to eat crab legs officially.
Hey guys, just follow me on my Instagram. It's KYMBURLLI. Yeah.
Yeah, I know you had double I.
Yeah. Yeah, cheers. Cheers.
So this is called seafood boil, right?
Yes. Why does it look so nice? We got some crabs, some corn, some shrimp, lobsters.
I have
some
shrimps.
good
I want to have some of my shrimps because
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat it. Alright guys, you're about to watch me eat seafood.
This is the good stuff.
So we have some raw. This is the raw. Let me bring this Wish me luck, guys, because I'm really not a seafood person.
You're gonna love it, trust me. As long as you're not allergic, you're gonna love it. I'm addicted. At first, I didn't like seafood until I started eating it. Ever since, like, I've been like,
You come here a lot, right?
this shit is hot and it's not even extra hot. I come here, this is like my.
I eat spicy food. I'm
So
from
you Mexican? Because I don't Mexican people like it.
No, Nigeria, we like spicy too.
They do?
So I just suck this out or what?
Yeah.
Just eat this part.
Or you can break off the.
What's
You can pull out the meat.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
don't
pull out the
know
meat at the end.
Oh, just put it
Yes,
out.
girl. Yeah.
Oh, seafood. Where's my corn? What happens to this part? Is this just a shell?
So normally I like break it like
That's the brain.
I take out. Let me show you.
But that's
So normally I like take it off like this, and then I like chew it because it's kind of juicy.
that's the brain, girl.
No, this is the brain.
So what's
This
that?
is like the
Intestine?
intestine. So normally I like chew it. Chew it. It's good.
No, thank you. You can chew it for me.
Girl, it's good. Chew it.
No, thank you.
It has a lot of flavor in that right there.
Oh,
I don't know why I wear
I thought
makeup.
you put it here.
Yeah.
You can put it. Oh, okay. I think I need to tell them to bring me more corn in the cup. You want some potatoes? Because this is my favorite shit here.
No, I'm good. Yeah, eat the shrimp. Try the shrimp. Yeah. So at least you get to stay and like, you just need to apply for yourself.
You still want this or?
Eat it.
No, girl.
Try it. Eat it.
This one will be here. It's bad enough that I'm eating this. You still want me to eat the brain or
You don't like it too far?
I mean, the sauce is helping. Time for crab legs.
It's more on me than you. I'm gonna start a show.
How is this one? Is this what you eat? Is this bowl?
Reckon
Everything.
it's good.
Oh,
Then you pull out the meat. Good, right?
I think it's really the sauce helping. This is my favorite.
What do you actually like to eat aside from the jollof rice?
There's a lot of African food. I mean, I cook a lot.
You do?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like my food, we have different soups, we have different types
What's
of rice.
that meal called that you mix with the chicken and rice?
You say chicken and rice?
Like you mix chicken and rice in like the same one pot something. Is that not African?
No, maybe not Nigerian.
Well, so y'all have your different type of food, huh?
Yeah, we have a lot. We have soups, we eat. Do you guys eat swallow?
What's that?
Like eating swallow.
What's swallow? It's like a fish or a chicken?
It's like eating cassava with the soup. You really never had it?
Is the food not hot for you?
I eat pepper, I was telling you.
Okay, try the lobster.
Girl, thank you.
Girl.
I'm still trying to figure mine out.